Hello everyone, this is Alex from YUSHl Instrument. Today we are unboxing a professional ultrasonic thickness gauge, PM5 Gen2. This is a high-precision instrument widely used in industrial inspection. Now let's take a look at its standard package. Now we can open the box. Inside the protective case, the items are neatly arranged, each with a designed slot. Let's go through the components one by one. First is about the ultrasonic thickness gauge. It has a feature a 2.4-inch color dot matrix LCD screen. The interface is simple and readings are clear. Its sealed housing meets the IP67 dustproof and waterproof standard, making it resistant to humid and dust environments. And here is our rubber protective case. It includes a built-in stand for stable placement and adds protection. Here is our D15A probe. It's a single crystal probe capable of measuring most materials. Here is our LAMO 00 microdot single probe cable. It's compatible with the D15A probe. This cable ensures reliable connectivity. Then it's about coolant bottle. Since the coolant itself cannot be shipped due to air transport restriction, the bottle is included for convenient application. Here is our user manual. It's a detailed guide for operating the device. Here is quality certification and calibration certificate. They ensure the product's reliability and precision. Here is maintenance card and packing list. They are for future maintenance and verification. That's everything included with the PM5 Gen2 ultrasonic thickness gauge. This instrument is not only powerful but also comes with a comprehensive set of accessories. If you are interested in this product, stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll provide a detailed guide on how to use it. Thank you for watching our unboxing video, and don't forget to like, comment, and follow us for more exciting content. See you next time!